Hi everyone, this is Hanya and this is lesson 4 of our Pashto alphabets. So last time we left off at Re and now we're going to start at Re. So let's get started. Repeat after me. Re, Ze, Je, Re, Sin, Shin, and Shin. So now I'm going to tell you guys the words and the English of the words. So let's get started. Re, Rund. Rund means blind. And the next one is Ze, Zarka. Zarka means quill. Je, Juan. Juan means life. Je, Juns. And the comb, Juns means comb. And the next one is Sin, Sola. Sola means peace. The next one is Shin, Shide. Shide means milk. And the last one is Shin, Shar. Shar means city. So now I'm going to be making sentences out of all of these words. So let's get started. Re, Rund, Dagasare, Runde. And the English sentence for that is this man is blind. The next one is Ze, Zarka. The sentence for Ze Zarka is Zarka Shaista Jablere. And the English sentence for that is the quill has a very good voice. And the next one is Je Juan. Juan Skuli De. And the English sentence for that sentence is life is very good. Beautiful, actually. So the next one is Je Juans. Juans por mes pratada. And the English sentence for that is a comb. The comb is on the table. And the next one is sin sola. And the sentence for that is Mors pa Afghanistan ke sola palo. And the English sentence for that is we want peace in Afghanistan. Next one is Shin Shide. Pashna gilas ki shide de. And the English sentence for that is in the blue cup there is milk. And the last one is Shin Shar. Mush Pashar ki uso. And the English sentence for that is we live in a city. So now I'm going to repeat these alphabets again. So repeat after me. Re, Ze, Je, Je, Sin, Shin, Shin. So make sure you guys practice on these a lot and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!